Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need an active SIM and working cellular service because you're turning off Wi-Fi calling in favor of regular voice. Once done, open Settings now and locate either phone or connections depending on your device. If you prefer, use the settings search bar and type Wi-Fi calling. Make sure you know whether you're on iOS or Android so you follow the correct menu. That prevents hunting through menus and saves time. Now perform the core action. For iPhone, go to Settings, tap Phone, then Wi-Fi calling and switch it off. For Android, open Settings, tap Connections or Network and Internet, choose Wi-Fi calling and flip the toggle off. Once you change the switch, the system may warn about emergency calling changes. Read it and accept to proceed. Make sure to confirm the toggle shows inactive. If the option is nested under your carrier settings, follow that path until you reach and disable the Wi-Fi calling switch. Finish by restarting your phone to ensure the setting fully applies. Then place a test call and verify the Wi-Fi calling indicator is gone from the status bar. If the option never appeared or won't disable, update your operating system and try again. Once updated, repeat the steps. If that still fails, contact your carrier. Some providers must turn Wi-Fi calling off on their network. One quick troubleshooting tip: toggle airplane mode on then off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.